Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to reset the Start menu in Windows 11. Sometimes the Start menu in Windows 11 isn't working properly. It might not open, the search function is broken, or you can't access your apps. This is a common problem, and today I'll show you a simple, effective, and quick way to fix it by Reset the Start menu. The Start menu is the core of the Windows experience, and when it malfunctions, it can severely impact our productivity and overall user experience. Although there are many complex solutions, this method is highly effective because it directly targets the core component responsible for the Start menu's functionality. By resetting it, we return it to its original state and remove any corrupted files or settings that may be causing the problem. And I will reset the Start menu with just one command, using the Windows terminal or PowerShell. This is a simple, safe, and effective method. Right-click on the Windows icon or Start button in the taskbar, and from the menu, click Terminal Admin with Administrator Privileges. This is necessary because we will be making changes to a core system component. In the terminal window, enter the command that appears on the screen. This command retrieves information about installed Microsoft Store apps and sets the selected app to its default settings, as if it were newly installed. This does not delete personal files or installed apps. It simply resets the functionality and settings of the Start menu itself. Then press the Enter key to execute the command. It may take a few seconds to execute the command, and after that, you won't see a notification or confirmation indicating that the Start menu has been reset. However, the Start menu has indeed been reset and refreshed, thus resolving Start menu issues on Windows 11. And that's all for today's video. This simple solution can help resolve most Start menu issues in Windows 11, including crashes, unresponsiveness, or problems launching apps. It's quick and safe, and doesn't require you to reinstall Windows or use third-party tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel for more Windows tips and troubleshooting guides. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.